Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot school bus. Alright, so we did a thing, and it's no secret that the start of our trip, we broke down. But we made it back on the road and officially started our voyage west. First, making our way to Georgia, picking up two new kittens.
What's that?
Puddles and Moose. Then, making our way back up to Tennessee, we had a blast. A few more miles got us over to Kentucky.
I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did.
And there we literally had the best time ever.
And I just had the best day ever.
A quick stop in Illinois led us very quickly over to Missouri, where we got to check out the Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. A lot of this part of the trip was totally unplanned, especially the part when we
Hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing.
And now, to get west, we went north to South Dakota because, duh, it was awesome.
Oh, I gotta did it. Dude, I just got a video of a bison taking a...
Now we are currently exploring Wyoming together, and oh my goodness. So you're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride.
You're gonna freak out. This one's, it's just so cool. Okay, bye.
Also, real quick, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're along for the ride. We still have plenty of miles left to cover.
We have the coolest cats, the coolest kid, the coolest bus, and the coolest place. My ass hurts, but other than that, I couldn't tell if it was like a pinch or just rolled or like I scratched my bum on a slide. Looks like glass. Does it smell beef?
Like
Hi, baby.
The Yellowstone babies. Damn! Fucking sick!
You ready?
I guess so. Are those the same ones?
No, there's 3 or 4 more over by the actual things.
They're so cute.
They're beautiful. I love the way they graze.
They're hungry. No, it's a fucking there's a bird right there. Just going with the bison.
That's so cool.
I love it so much.
Park here closer to the sidewalk.
I want that. How about that camp spot?
It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh, sorry.
Okay, when I say we just landed at the coolest parking spot for the night ever, I mean it. Ah.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. Thank you so much for coming back each and every week to support this journey. It is literally a dream come true. Oh, and I promise this is only just the beginning. One last thing though while you're here, I need your help. Don't forget, friends, don't forget. I mean, if you did, you can like this video down below. You can also leave me a comment or two. Let's get the party started down in the comments. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the... That way you know you're ready for the next adventure, and it helps your girl out too. All right, I will see you guys down the road and every Sunday with a new video. Okay, bye. So, Wyoming. Did I forget Kentucky? Now we're in South Dakota. Nope. Ah! And it's no secret. And then secret that the start of our... All right, so we did... We broke down. Me, but... Yeah, and this is our 30-foot school bus. But we... And then what the f...